Hello friends, how are you? This is Dr. Nagi, Ayurveda and Medicine doctor and also Isha Hatha Yoga teacher. So today in this video we are going to talk about a very important aspect regarding stress, regarding anxieties and regarding depression, that is Om chanting. Om chanting is not something new or Om, Om is also known as the sound of universe. But many times we ignore these things and we start suffering with various kind of stress, various kind of anxieties, various kinds of unpleasantness, sometimes negativity. It is not somebody's fault. It just comes to it because these days the surroundings are like this and we are forgetting the tool that we have, Om chanting. It is very simple and for this you need not to have an extremely special training. And if you want to know how to do Om chanting, you please write down to us. We will guide you how to do it systematically and when you can do it and what is the best way to do it. Because this simple Om chanting brings a lot of health benefits and a lot of mind relaxation. It's been seen that Om chanting improves the focus, concentration, peace and calm by enhancing the well-being of an individual. And not only this, it is also very beneficial in getting rid of many diseases. Various experiments has been done on Om chanting till today's date, and it has been found that this Om chanting not only relaxes you, but it also balances the physical, emotional and spiritual well-being, which is extremely important these days. And not only this, it also has been seen that if you are chanting this Om chanting regularly in a day, it is extremely beneficial to remove all the negativity from the mind, because it's been seen that Om is the sound of nature, is the sound of universe, and even it enhances self-awareness and it brings a lot of clarity to the mind. And when our mind is very clear, definitely our energy will be more saved, because more and more energy will not be utilized in a lot of thinking and a lot of all the time this buzzing mind. So a lot of energy has been saved and you will not feel much tired as you feel in a daily work. It is also extremely helpful in stressful situations, because in stressful situations, stress comes when we are not clear what we can do for specific situation. But if we have prepared our system to go into the world daily before stepping out of the house, so that is the best thing, because then we have strength to put ourselves in difficult situation. And Om chanting is one of the greatest tool which everybody can do. It is safe for children to do, it is safe for elderly people to do, it's safe for everybody to do, because it doesn't include very much of physical postures. It does not include a lot of specific asana. It does not include some kind of special situation around you. Om chanting is such a simple practice that you can sit cross-legged posture in your home and you can start this Om chanting, as it is our hidden sound of nature. If somebody even not able to speak verbally, you will observe these three words are like this, he is able to speak, that is A, U, M. And you will observe while speaking this Om, we are not using our any mouth organ, like we are not using our tongue. So even physically challenged people, they can also chant Om and enjoy its benefits. Om is a sacred sound, but the sound Om is beyond any religion, because it is a sound of universe. So anybody, whether he is Hindu or Muslim or Sikh or Christian or any religion in the world, he can make use of this sound for his well-being. If you go with the Hindu mythology, this Om chanting is explained as our word is responsible for the creator, that is Brahma, the god of creation, and Mu word is the god of maintenance, is designate maintenance. So Vishnu, that is the maintenance, that is maintaining whole world. And Ma is symbolizes Shiva, that means he is destroyer. So according to Hindu mythology, a whole world is created by these three forces, that is Brahma, Vishnu and Mahesh. Brahma means the creator, Vishnu means the maintaining person, and Mahesh means Shiva, that is the destroyer. The explanation of the word arm is also been given in our Vedas. For example, the most ancient literature of the whole world, that is Rig Veda. And in Rig Veda, it's been said that arm chanting can bring a tremendous peace to your mind. When we do arm chanting, it creates a certain vibration within us, within our whole body, which is extremely healing, and it is very beneficial to keep organs of the bodies stress free. And when the organs will be stress free, they will work to their optimum level. So, arm chanting is a way of cleansing your system, is a way of detoxifying yourself naturally, just with the help of sound. It's been said like there is hidden sound of nature and universe, that is Am. And when we utter this Am, then this our vibration get connected with the universal vibration, and it brings a person into peace, into pleasantness and into stress-free state. As we know, as person age, there is a lot of problems that got associated with him. For example, dementia, for example, forgetfulness, for example, various kind of nervous disorders like Parkinsonism, and all these kind of in which nerves becomes weak. So if somebody is doing this arm chanting regularly, these are extremely beneficial to make our neurons work in a better way. Even latest researches are also showing that our neurons become more and more healthy with arm chanting, because there is a specific technique to utter it. If you want to know the technique of arm chanting, how to do it properly, then you please write down to us, and we will guide you how to do this arm chanting in a more appropriate way, so that you can reveal more and more benefits. And it is very clear, like whenever we live in a very stable mind with a lot of clarity, without any tension, our mind will work its best. But for example, for some reasons, if our mind is very stressed, definitely we will not be able to give our 100% in whatever we are doing, whether it is relationship, whether it is your work or anything. It's been seen that arm chanting is also very beneficial to balance your vata dosha. And if somebody is suffering from vata headaches, arm chanting is extremely beneficial for them, because it relaxes your mind, and relaxation means the aggravated vata start coming into balance. Not only this, this arm chant is extremely beneficial for small children also, because it helps in focusing, it enhances the concentration. And when a child has good concentration, because these days children do not play outdoors so much, all the time they are sitting on laptops or mobiles, so they have this very common disorder, that is attention deficit disorder. So they are not able to pay attention to anything. So if you feel like if the child is going through these problems, arm chanting can help him in a miraculous way. It is extremely beneficial to prevent your system from Parkinsonism, various kind of nervous disorders, dementia and many age related disorders. At the same time, it is extremely beneficial for youth to deal with the various anxiety situations, various kind of stress problems, various kind of issues in your life. And it is extremely beneficial for children to enhance their focus, to enhance their concentration, so that they can study well, or whatever they love to do, they can do it well, whether it is singing, whether it's playing, whether it's creating some art, whether it's creating some innovation, whatever it is. It is just arm chanting is a tool to make a person happy. Like I said, there are tremendous benefits of arm chanting, and it is a very simple tool that everybody can use. And if you want to know the right technique of doing arm chanting, So being Isha Hatha Yoga teacher, we are trained to teach arm chanting. We will guide you how you can do it and how beneficial it is. You can figure out by yourself. It is just you need to do practice regularly. So it is just a tool to make your body and mind work well. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any question regarding arm chanting, you please write down to us, and if you want to know how to do arm chanting, you please write down to us. We will guide you how you can do it, and it is extremely beneficial, and it is very simple technique for which you need not to do any difficult yoga posture, but it is a simple form of yoga which you can use for the benefit of yours and for your family. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any question, please write down to us. We will try to help you possible in the best possible way. And if you have not subscribed our channel, please take a minute, hit the bell icon and click the subscribe button so that you stay in tuned with us for upcoming videos. With this note, I would like to say stay healthy, stay blessed, take care.